Welcome to BizRise.io. Let's take a look at what's inside of the AI factory. When you come to BizRise.io and land on the dashboard, what can we do? Inside of the AI factory is going to be a list of the tutorials that I've done and that I've put into the Skool community. Now, the Skool community, as far as education and tutorials, has been the focus because it's a great way for people to collaborate and check out what's going on. But I do have these in BizRise.io, and I'll continue to put what videos I do in both Skool and the app. Skool community is free. It's just great because people are in there communicating, working together. It's a really awesome platform. And if you want to start your own Skool community, let me know. I'll send you a link. I'll show you how to set it up. Life is good. But this is going to be just tutorials to help you get set up on Twitch, Streamlabs, and just optimizers for digital business. And that is what's inside of the AI factory of BizRise.io.